Hi there, folks. Root Beer here, looking at question number 9 on our grade 7 Gauss paper from 2018. The measure of one angle of an isosceles triangle is 50 degrees. The measures of the other angles in the triangle could be, so there's going to be two options. We've got 50 and 90, 30 and 100, 40 and 50, those sorts of things. So why are they only listing out two options? Well, if we think about an isosceles triangle, we're told one of the angles. Well, there's the angle up here, and then for an isosceles triangle, there's two duplicated angles. So the question is, the 50 that we're told, is that up here? Or is that one of the two duplicates here? And so we're going to get two different possible triangles. Okay, so what happens if the 50 is at the top? Well, let's call the other angle x. The sum of the angles in a triangle are 180 degrees, so 50 and then two x's. We get 2x is 130. Divide by 2, x is going to be 65. Now the other possible triangle, still isosceles, but now the 50 is placed in one of the other two corners, and so since it's isosceles, that's a duplicated angle. So we'll call y the other angle. We've got 50 plus y, or 100 plus y, is 180. Subtract 100 from both sides, y is 80. So 65 and 80 are the other possible angles. Right? So 65, and did I do some math wrong? I may have. Measure of one angle in an isosceles triangle, the measure of the other angles in the triangle could be. What? Oh, I misinterpreted the question. Oh, silly me. So, the answers that we are looking at are what are the other possible pairs. So, in this case, it was 65 and 65 would be what I would look for as an answer. And in this one, we've got 150, so we've got another 50 and an 80. That's what we're looking for. So, the 50 and 80. It's not what are the other possible cases, it's one of the angles is 50, and this is the only one that actually makes a triangle. Right? That's it. So there we go, C. So I completely misread that, but okay. No harm done. We were back on track, 50 and 80. So it turns out that this wasn't the case that they wanted to talk about. It was certainly possible, but not listed as one of the multiple choice answers. Okay, glad I cleared that up. Let me know if you thought that was a confusing read as well, if you tried to do it one way, or if you got it right the first time. You can certainly leave a comment down below. But I think we're going to move on to question number 10. I will see you for that in the next video.